JAM means just a minute. This is the term which is troubling a number of job seekers today. Why? Because when you go to appear for an interview, you are told to speak on a particular topic. There could be various ways by which the interviewers, they test your knowledge, your ability, your vocabulary and whatnot. Same way, when you are told to speak for just a minute on a particular topic, that topic could either be of your own choice or the interviewers, they give their own topic. The only thing is, when you start speaking, the interviewers, they observe you. They see a number of things. They see the accent in which you speak, your grammar, your pronunciation, your formation of sentences. So, my humble advice is that when you go for JAM sessions, that is just a minute, that time you keep in mind that you use simple sentences and not complex ones. Use simple English but correct. Then use good pronunciation, and one more thing, before going for the interview, read some common topics that are available these days, because the topics would be of general nature. And suppose if you are given to speak on leaves, okay, so when you speak on leaf, you will talk about leaf is green in color, then there is chlorophyll production takes place in the leaf in the presence of sunlight. Number of things you are going to speak in just a minute. But one more thing, don't have direct thinking only, but think of lateral thinking. Lateral thinking means coming out of the box. Suppose you are given to speak on rose. Don't think that rose means only that red colored flower. Whereas when you say rose, R-O-S-E, rose, rose means I rose up early in the morning. And do not speak very complex or long sentences. I'll give you an example. I saw a student speaking on JAM, and he was given to speak on trees. The way he spoke, he said, okay, trees are useful, they provide us wood, they provide us oxygen, all these things he spoke. Then along with that, because he did not have much things to speak, he said, once when I was young, I fell down from a tree, then I lost my memory, and then I went to the doctor, this, that, all these things are so complex that you cannot link the real trees with all these things. So same way, we should have lateral thinking, but not very complex. It should be in simple manner and good sentences, good English, good pronunciation, that's all.
My topic is trees, and now next thing which I would like to add, that trees are the basic thing, and these are the basic elements because of which we people survive. These gives us oxygen, food, the forest that gives us each and everything which allow us to live on this earth. Now if we will see our ancestors, they totally depend on these trees for their food, feed, shelter. That is the three main things which are required for their sustenance on this earth. And now also if you will see the way that these trees are being cut, the forest is being cut, slowly the temperature is changing, and there are issues like climate change and sea level rising. So all these factors and all these issues are connected to each other. So my friends, it's a humble request from my side to please focus more on growing trees, so that we can have a very green, peaceful and cool environment on the earth.
Yeah, good afternoon everyone, and my topic, I have given television as a topic. See, and nowadays television is a most prominent and useful way of media expressing the views, telecasting all the issues covering the world. And television, in spite of entertainment and any other things, it is creating a awareness among the people all over the earth. Like recently the issue happened in Arabs, how it created overall the world, and how the movements are going on, how the leaders are speaking around the world, how the policies are going on around the world. It is useful with the help of televisions these days. And now it's been because televisions are now somewhat degrading, I can say, because many of the channels they are okay.
My topic is news. I am going to tell something about news. In these days, the importance of news for this world, not only for the older generation but younger generation too. Since nobody has time to get and go by themselves to and get all the information in this what is happening in the world, so this news plays an important role on their life. Simply you can switch on TV, radio, even mobile. Nowadays news are available. You can get all the information regarding what is happening, not only in different countries but also in neighbor. What is happening you can get in the news. And so I think news not only increase the your whatever you want to know, but also it increase your knowledge power. What is happening in this world, you should have knowledge regarding. If you think that you are an ideal person of this country, then you should have all the things what is happening in this world.
My topic is cell phone. Cell phone plays a major role to us. It helps to communicate with our relatives, friends, and it plays a major role in different areas also. Through cell phone we can browse also, we can make SMS to others also, we can get news of different areas and what is happening to around the world we can get through cell phones. And day to day there is a evolution in cell phone. We get better quality, better storage facility, and cell phone now became a part of our life. And if cell phone is not with us, then we feel something is not with us. And cell phone also helps to different companies to generate their income revenue. But thank you.
Well, I feel really good to come up in the front and speak to you all about light bulb. My topic is light bulb. Light bulb is one of the very common invention, and it is, if we talk about the present context, it is almost as equivalent as to sun, because if we see today everything is going on electricity, and if we consider had the light bulb been not invented, the sole purpose of electricity, that is to throw light, to extend light to the darkness, to remove out this darkness, it would have been a mammoth task. We couldn't have achieved to eradicate the darkness from the world without the invention of light bulb. I don't remember exactly in what century this light bulb got invented, but since its invention, it has been an integral part of our life. We already, we in our day-to-day life, we are quite familiar with the light bulbs. We generally use them. Nowadays we see light bulbs have not been restricted to only use in the night only. They are used in daytime also. Thanks.
My name is Anirudh Singh Tomar and my topic is smiley face. So as you can see from my face, I am always smiling. And what in our present life scenario, everyone is facing the depression, pressure due to their job work and everything. So to eradicate such pressures and thing, if you see a person having a smiley face, just who gives a smile to you, you will feel good, you feel happiness. So smiley face is all about whether you are happy or not, just try to give a little bit, keep a little bit of a smile on your face, which keeps you happy as well as the person who is looking at you, keeps them happy also. The smiley face is very necessary and important, plays a very necessary important part in our life, because if you keep smiling, it also helps to develop your health, also the person who keeps company of yours, keep them happy also. And smiley, as you can see in Facebook and all, there's a usage of the smileys in all the social networking site to express your emotions, your emoticons which we say them. So it is very necessary, and thank you.
So good afternoon to one and all. My topic of presentation or jam is letter. So letter is an important tool by which we can communicate with each and everyone. But nowadays we see that the tradition of letter has been abolished. Nobody is using letter nowadays, and now a lot of communication like print media, social media has come into existence, and nowadays we communicate with others through mails and WhatsApp and all these. So the existence of letter has more or less been gone nowadays, and it's earlier the emotions used to be expressed between father, daughters, mothers through letters, and that was a very important tool, an important way to communicate with the elders and youngers also. So now it has almost gone out of the use, and I think due to the technology advancement it has merely happened, and all we can do is that we can't follow the same procedures since it takes a lot of time also due to later.
Okay, my name is Keshav Nayak and my topic is keyhole. As we all are aware of keyhole, means keyhole is nowadays it is a very important part of our life, because without keyhole you can't lock your room. So what I am saying, the keyhole plays a major role because everyone need to lock their room, to lock their vehicles, to lock their whatever properties they are having, they need to lock it to prevent it from theft or anything else. So that's why we need a lock, and every lock has a keyhole. And nowadays the locks are evolved too much, and now the keyholes are not so much popular because electronic locks has been come in our life. So now we don't need keyhole, we can use our thumb impression, and by eyes also we can open many doors. So this is the new way we are going to acquire, and I think in future it will get less. Thank you.
I am Suhad Zod and my topic is arrows. Arrows are, we know that previously arrows are used in battles. We many times listen or read that these arrows are used in Mahabharatas and Ramayanas, and it was the means Ram, we learn and in Ramayana that he was using these arrows to fight with devils, and especially with Ravan. He killed Ravan by these arrows. And nowadays in many African countries and some Asian countries, still the arrows are used as to fight, and it was one of the, we can say in ancient era the arrows are also used for killing the animals.
Good afternoon, my topic is on scent. So someone has told that example is better than precept. So without preaching others, if we follow some rules and if we are suggesting someone and we don't follow the same path, then we can't be a person who can preach. So preacher means saint who give the light, who will enlighten the whole world to follow their path, good path, by which they can get their goal in life. And saint always they are far above from the normal life, because they got so much knowledge about spiritual things. So whatever they say, they have actually nowadays so many thoughts of saint is proven scientifically, and whatever they tell that. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Kunal Chaudhary. My topic is lightning. Lightning is it's indicate that the change, it remove the all darkness in our life. It's indicate that the positive thinking in our lives. Because of the why we celebrate Diwali. We are celebrate Diwali because it's a festival of the lightning. And there is another reason why we celebrate the Diwali. There is a willingness of the positive thinking against the negative things. So that's why we are celebrate Diwalis. And lightning makes any change in your life, like how the small things makes change in your life. Because of the we can see the light, and which is remove the negative things in our lives. Because of the light we can see anyone anywhere. Because of the light we can read.
My name is Shelly Chaudhary and my topic is ID cards. ID cards are used to represent the personality of a person. If a person is among his friend group, then everybody knows it. But when no matter how famous he is, but when he goes to a strange place, then nobody knows him, then only the ID card becomes his symbol that what he is. ID card represents the name of the person, the designation of the person, the place from where he belongs to, and the phone number also. In case the person loses his ID card, then we can also get to that person, means we can contact him, or then we can go to that person. And ID cards also give some good look to the person. Whenever whenever we see a person who is having an ID card, then ultimately it reflects something, that he is something and he is having some responsibility at that particular time.
My name is Aditi Pragya and my topic is pen. Pen is a very good instrument through which we can write, and we can achieve whatever we want, and we can achieve our target also, because in examination we can write through pen, and with the help of pen we can write better, and we can get maximum marks with the help of good writing that can be achieved through the pen. As one of the phrase is very popular, that is, pen is mightier than sword. So it is a better tool through which we can do whatever we can. And there are different colors in pen, like green, red, blue. So different colors we can use for a different kind of letters or headings. So through this we can differentiate whatever our assignments. And
Good afternoon, one and all. My topic is stars. You know, there are different kinds of different types of star present here in universe. Some of them are Saptarishi, some of them are Achilles. There are different kinds of, and they are having different characteristics also. Like Achilles having some the body shape structure, and the Saptarishi having 7 dots, means stars. We can just identify them like that only. And stars represent some ethical kind of ethical things also. Means long years ago in Vedas something wrote about the stars, like stars represent some Vedas, stars represent something like that. And stars are twinkling in the night, and it looks very awesome if we see stars in the night during moon time. And we used to celebrate in the night in presence of the stars. Thank you.